Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save battery on Data Wing. If you love playing Data Wing but want to make sure your device's battery lasts longer during gaming sessions, then here's how you do it. First of all, make sure that you enable battery saving mode on your device you are using. Go ahead and open up the settings application on your device, and once you're inside, click on the battery option from the menu. You can also drag your notification panel at the top right corner and turn on the battery saving mode. Simply tap on the battery saving option and you'll be able to turn on battery saving mode on your device. Now the next thing you want to do is to open up the Data Wing application, and once you're in the home page, click on the gear button at the bottom center. Once you're inside the settings menu, make sure to turn off the screen FX option and switch it off. Soon after you do that, the bloom and aberration will be disabled to reduce battery usage. So after you do this too, you will be able to save battery while playing the game. But if you want to save further batteries, then another thing you can do is to close off any background running apps. Swipe up from the bottom center of your screen and then you'll be able to open up the app switcher. Close off any other tab apart from the Data Wing app, and then once you have closed off all the background running applications, this will free up memory and reduces battery consumption while playing. So after you do that, you will be able to save battery while playing Data Wing on your Android, or this will also work on your iOS devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.